Hi guys, do you know that the use of the desktop internet is falling while the use of the mobile internet is rising? This is why most developers are focused on mobile first. That is to say, when developing an application, developers are focused on how the user experience would be on a mobile phone before a desktop. My name is Linda. Welcome to my channel. For today, let's do a quick one on how to install VS Code and some cool extensions that is good to have on VS Code. So first of all, I go to my browser and I type VS Code for Windows, as I'm using the Windows system. So let's just click on the first suggestion and we'll see we have for Mac, for Windows. Let's go with Windows. While we're here, so let's just hold on for it to finish downloading so we can install. So our VS Code is done downloading. So let's just click on it to open it up to ask us if we want to accept the agreement or not. I want to accept the agreement. Then I click on next. It will ask a little questions. Create a desktop icon. I wanted to create a desktop icon. Add open with code actions. No, I don't need that. I don't need all of this. Then I wanted to add to path. So I just click on next and I install. So wait for it to install. With the power of editing, I was able to speed this up. Now that's finished installing, so I'll just click on finish. It's wanted to know that there are other code editors, but VS Code is like the coolest kid in the block, so why not? So I'll click on my VS Code, my desktop. It opens up. This is where you have our files and folder. This is once you click on this page icon, they all come out here. We have the search button. We have the source control. This is mostly for GitHub and Git. Then we have the run and debug. Then we have the extension over here. If we want to install any extension on our VS Code, so there are some cool extensions that are good to have. Something like Prettier. Prettier would format your code and you don't have to worry about indentations and all of that. So with Prettier, it does all that work for us. Yeah, I have it already installed. But for you, if you're a newcomer to VS Code, you have something like this. So just click on install and you have that installed. We also have the icon, VS Code icon. This is it over here. This makes whatever file you create, it gives it a sort of icon and it's really, really cool. Let me just show you a brief example of what I mean. I want to create a new text file. Let's say it's a JavaScript file, and let's just say cons name. What's the name? Name is equals to Linda, and let me just save this really quick and let's say index.js. And I save this. You can spot the cool JS icon at the top of my file. A must-have for every coder should be the live server. The live server is a lifesaver, literally, because whatever you write, you just have to you can see it in real time without a lot of back and forth. So this is the live server. I have it already installed. If you don't have it, just click on the install button and it will do that for you. To open up the terminal in VS Code, let's say we are running a code and we need to view the result in the terminal. Just you control and you press the key that is under the escape button on your keyboard and you have it right there. This is your terminal. This is where you see whatever you're writing over here and you want to view it on the terminal. You just view it over here. We also have the live share. This is for collaborative work. Like if you're working with someone and you want to be able to share your screen in real time, you install the live share. There are a lot of other stuffs that you can do with VS Code, but these are just the basics, and with time you install more extension based on what you need at the time and based on what project you are working on.